In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make $100 in 10 minutes by watching basic videos. This is a simple way to get money online, so stay tuned. Now, I'm gonna show you a couple of different platforms that you can use, so make sure that you guys follow along and stay until the end of this video so you can fully understand how to use these 3 amazing platforms, because it's definitely worth your time and it's a fun way to make money online just by watching videos. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Alright, so the first website that we're going to be looking at today is this right in front of your screen, but don't worry because I'll explain first how to use and prove to you first how amazing this platform is, and then later on, I'll share with you the link to it, so stay tuned. So our website is this platform. It's an amazing platform that pays out, so you can clearly see right here, $144 million in cash to different members that they have. They're paying out a lot of money and the number just keeps rising up. Now, with this amazing platform, you can download apps and get paid just by downloading apps. You can watch videos as well, but as you can see right here, if you look at the menu bar, get paid by doing surveys, completing simple offers, by playing games, and by looking at their blog and stuff. So there's a lot of simple things that you can do on this platform and you can earn a lot of money for doing those activities. It's a great way to earn, especially in a short amount of time, and that's what this video is all about. Now, as you can see right here, brands are willing to pay us for a consumer input. So we recruit members like you and me, and then we do activities in this website, and then we earn free gift cards and cash just by joining. It's simple and the sign up is free. There's really no downside to this, so you might as well just check it out. It will only take you like a couple of minutes out of your day, so even if you have like a 9 to 5 or whatever the case may be, I understand if you have a busy schedule, but this will only take a couple of minutes to just check out, to just sign up for, and then you can start getting paid right away. And the cool thing about watching videos is that you don't even have to watch the videos themselves. You can just leave the video playing while you sleep and just earn money passively just by doing that. So as you can see right here, this has been seen on big news channels. So we have Yahoo, we have CNN, we have the Wall Street Journal. Now, these are big companies that are talking about this website because this website is a great platform and a lot of people like it, and it's getting a lot of views from these big news channels. But as you can see right here, how does this website work? So we give away thousands of dollars free money every single day, as you can see right here. So just by joining on this website, you score free cash or gift cards just by completing easy tasks, and then bring along your friends and family to earn even more cash, and then you earn points right here. So by sharing your opinion, playing the latest games, and watching entertaining videos, you can earn points, and then you can exchange that for free gift cards. You can choose your rewards too. They have PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, among others. So there's a lot of cool things that you can get from this app. So what's new at this website is they have a good newsfeed. As you can see right here, different surveys or budget-friendly grocery shopping, so new things that they're adding all the time. You can collect your free 100 points and then exchange that for different rewards just by signing up, and what our members are saying, so use rewards for additional holiday gift cards and extra spending money. That's what the platforms like these are really good about. They're really good for additional holiday gifts, spending extra money for that birthday present that you want for your children, or whatever the case may be for your loved ones. It's good having extra cash that you can just invest into the stock market, like just extra money that you may not get at your job or your extra side hustles. With this, you can earn a lot of money that you can spend on whatever you want. It's really just good to have extra cash. There's no reason why you shouldn't have extra money to invest or whatever the case may be. Now, as you can see right here, there's some reviews by different people. I Love Iris, they're just talking about how great this platform is and how it really works. So you basically get the point. Now, I do want to show you guys the Watch Videos tab, so I'm just gonna click on Watch Videos right here. I want to show you guys how this really looks since we're talking about getting paid by watching videos, right? So watch entertaining videos and earn easy points and all that good stuff. So let's scroll down. You can watch videos, short films, new advertisements that are coming out, and then app trailers, cooking tutorials, movie reviews. So you can watch all this stuff that you would normally watch on YouTube, so why not get paid for it? Alright, to earn points, select a video from our partners, start watching and earn points instantly, and our inventory refreshes daily with over 50 channels of content. So they have loads of content for us to watch that we will be interested in, and then we get to choose our rewards that we can then convert to money through PayPal. So it's very simple and easy to understand. Now, like I said, this is a great platform. That's why I recommend it to anyone that wants to earn some pretty fast cash just by watching simple videos, and I definitely recommend iRazoo. And yes, iRazoo.com is the first website for today. Now, I do have more to show you, so keep tuning in. If you guys are enjoying this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video stating, "I will make money today," we'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,000 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Alright you guys, so here's the next website where you can literally earn $5 as a bonus just by signing up. So you can get a reward right here. So be rewarded just by watching videos, taking surveys, or shopping online and earning cash offers. So there's lots of different things that you can do on this platform. It's called Inbox Dollars, and you can earn a lot of money just by watching videos like I said. You can also leave this on autopilot while you sleep or whatever the case may be. So as you can see right here, earn cash for your everyday online activities. So you can click on this video, but I'm just going to briefly explain what they're talking about. So brands are willing to pay us just for our input. They recruit people like you and me, and then we just do the online activities like paid surveys, watching videos, or whatever. And then we can earn real cash, not points. So Inbox Dollars is really cool because you can earn straight cash, so there's no points involved, just straight cash to your PayPal account. So yeah, as you can see right here, how you'll earn the free cash. You can take surveys. Surveys are $5 just answering questions. Or you can watch videos. As you can see right here, they have different short films, movie trailers, and new product features. So basically, they get paid for what we do, and they share a portion of the earnings with us, and then that's basically just by watching their content or their videos. So yeah, brands are willing to pay a lot of money just for people to share their opinion or watch videos or whatever the case may be, and we can play games with this. We can download different apps and play games, as you can see right here, and earn lots of money. Cashback for shopping online too. Get paid to read emails, so that's really cool right there too. Now, there's also a lot of cool features with this app. Over $80 million in cash rewards has been paid out to different people all around the world. Also, this has a 4-star rating. Look at this. Over 27,000 reviews at Trustpilot, so 4-star rating is really good. And there's people that give this 5 stars as well. As you can see right here. Excellent experience, very good app. A lot of people are talking or giving good feedback about this platform. They also partnered with Netflix. Now look at this. Stay partnered with Netflix, Target, Walmart. So the biggest companies out there partnered with them. As you can see right here, with the most trusted brands in retail technology and market research to deliver a robust platform of earning opportunities. So that's what it's all about. They partner with the biggest companies, and they're sharing some of the profits that they made with us just by doing simple stuff on this platform. So it's really easy to understand, really easy to do, and it comes with a $5 sign-up bonus. So this is really a no-brainer. You can earn $5 quick and easy just like that. So that's Inbox Dollars in a nutshell, so make sure to check it out. Now let's go on to the next and final app that we're going to be looking at today, so stay tuned. Alright, so this is the next and final app right here. It's called AppNana. So AppNana is this platform where you can get paid just by doing simple stuff like, you guessed it, watching videos, doing simple surveys, and stuff like that. As with the other platforms, you can earn a lot of money here as well, and it's completely free. In fact, all these platforms are completely free, and as you can see right here, over $10 million has been paid out with gift cards and all that good stuff. So you can get paid through Amazon and PayPal, so that's really cool. You can download the app, and I'll show you how the app looks like in a little bit. So as you can see right here, earn the nanas, get paid through the iOS or Android, earn credit with awesome apps, and then each of the app that you play. So you can earn a lot of points here just by downloading simple apps and using the apps or watching videos. It doesn't really matter. Redeem the rewards, get paid, get any paid app and game for free, redeem Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, and Xbox gift cards. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like at the Google Play Store real quick. So here is how the app looks like. So like I said, you can earn a lot of points here, like 5 to 10,000 points literally per app that you download, so that's pretty insane right there. It's also worldwide, so you can choose different countries and you can get paid through different gift cards, as you can see right here, PayPal, Amazon. It says here, try free apps to get free gift cards, watch videos, and get free gift cards right here. So let's go on to the next slide. So play games, get free gift cards, and also you can invite people and earn a lot of money just by inviting people, which is really cool. So you get the whole point. This is basically AppNana. It has a 4-star rating. Looks like a lot of people like this app and it really does work, so I recommend it to you guys. So yeah, make sure to check out all these apps. They're very simple and easy to do, and anyone can do it. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.